Mrs. Friends, and I'd like to introduce to you my first hour class. Aren't they a lovely bunch? Right?
My pen pal is Bobby Sucio, and well, hi. It's Katie Norton. Hi.
My name is Lisa. My pen pal is Roman Hernandez. Hi.
And my pen pal is Kenneth Dalton. Hi. My name is Courtney Nelson, and my pen pal name is David Shitteris. And hi.
Jerry Nichols, and my pen pal is Sylvia Ramirez. Yeah, and hi.
I'm Gina Doms, and my pen pal is Chris Cupix. Hi.
My name is John Walston. My pen pal is Don Bill. Hi.
My name is Emily Romani, and my pen pals are Ray Howden and Christina Pedraza. Hi.
Hi.
Okay, Jim.
I'm Jared Elliott, and I'm not going to say hi. I'll say howdy. And my pen pal's Sonia. I can't pronounce her last name, so.
Howdy.
Hi, my name is Kelly J, and my pen pals are Sarah McCully and Elima Vickles.
My name is Ryan Olkowski, and my pen pal's name is David Grovel. Hi.
Hi, I'm Shannon Keenan. My pen pals are Melissa Esquire and Sylvia Ramirez. Hi.
Sylvia is writing to Shannon and Jerry, so Sylvia's lucky to have two pen pals.
She is in town now.
My turn? Okay, word up! My name's Sarah Shepard, and my pen pal is Adam Sensky. I think you're real cute.
Yeah. Shut up. Sarah. Yeah, my name's Mike Lewis. I'm writing to Helena Perry and Bobby Titus. I just want to say peace, love, and recycle.
Mike normally doesn't quite put that way, but today is special, I guess. Okay, Mark.
Hi, my name is Mark Rowling. My pen pal is Stephanie Fernandez. Hi.
Hi, I'm Chad Levin. My pen pal's name is Charmaine Rankin. Hi.
Hi, I'm Katie Rustin, and my pen pal's name is Tara. Hi, Tara.
We'll go back to Tom.
My name is Tom Sturgis, and my pen pal is Jennifer Chadwick. How y'all doing?
I'm Derek Pearson. My pen pal is Ryan Richardson.
I'm Stacy Kao. My pen pal's name is Carissa Brents. Bye.
Hi, my name is Mickey Reese, and my pen pal is Robbie Arlen. Hi.
Straight up.
Okay, this is the whole.
This is Mr. Vance, our vice principal.
Good morning.
Has been working here for a year and a half, and he deals with discipline problems, and he is working on a new construction plan for our school. Okay, this is my mom. She's a secretary at Parkview Middle School. What do you do?
What do? I type letters and I answer telephones and I work on the computer and I schedule kids into classes.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you. This is Mrs. Moser. She's another secretary. What do you do?
Well, I work part-time and I help Judy out. So I answer the phones also, do some typing, have some projects, and do some projects with Mr. Vance.
This is Parkview Middle School, 7th grade students, Oh, where is it? Yummy! Up yet? Oh yeah, I'm gonna do a bunch of things.
Pen pals in Los Angeles or California.
Get me in the shot.
Bill, I'm gonna get you.
Kid, turn it off.
Okay, my name is Jeff, and I'm going to serve I have to serve lunch detention all hour with Mr. Vance.
Hey, Josh.
You're kind of funny.
Josh is cool.
This school so far is,
Watch out, dude. Watch out.
I'd say, is doing pretty good. Hello? Hey, keep that on me. But I get in trouble a lot. This is Jenna.
You're a star, Jeff. Let's get out of the way. Let's get the other side of the hallway.
And I usually do get in trouble. I'm kind of like you.
Oh, like me.
And now I gotta go finish off my lunch detention. Now I gotta serve it all lunch detention. Or all lunch hour. Hey!
I heard teachers over here. Hi, Mrs. Eiffel.
No.
Hey, get that camera back on. Okay.
Main entrance to our school. Boy, through hallway now.
Come on, baby, go.
The new part, walking down it. Still walking down the hallway. And this is the way out of the building to the corner. These are our lockers.
There's you.
Okay.
I'm Sarah. No. Sarah. No. This is Sarah.
This is Mr. Smart.
Sarah, tell her. Who's this, a girl or a guy you're sending it to?
The whole class.
Okay. Sarah, tell this camera who I am.
This is Mr. Smart. He's an industry and technology teacher.
Am I cool?
Yeah.
Hi. Safety first. Oh, what are we building? We're building this, and Sarah has been one of my favorite students. She's going to give me 2 mugs from your grandfather's Party's restaurant, right? See, she promised. When are you gonna get them to me?
Monday?
Monday. What more can we say?
Nothing.
We'll say some more things. How do you like school, Sarah?
Gay.
Okay. How about the day you were having yesterday?
I had a bad day.
She had a bad day. We had to send her down to the office. And what did you learn down in the office?
Get along with fellow students?
Get along with fellow students. Now you're going to get along with fellow students?
Yeah.
How about Mike? Van, let's talk about Mike.
I know. When we get over here.
And then fix on the portal. I don't know if I got it. Look at it. Back.
I took it through the track.
We gotta go around the other way to come back in.
He's like, oh, it's so fun.
I think I go. And I think, nope.
And that other guy, did you see that other guy? He's going.
No.
Let's picture the field. Is it on?
Yeah.
Zoom. Oh, this is like really bad focus. Oh, dude, this like really sucks. There we go. That's the outside of the cafeteria. There. What?
It's up to you, Scott.
It's recording. I'm not pushing nothing either. It says record. So let them yell. We're not doing nothing wrong.
Let's go get a closer shot of the track.
Circular.
There's the football field.
Well,
Okay, this is Parkview's gym. We're undergoing construction. And the wall is new here. The pipes, the big ventilation shaft up there is new. And this is our seats here. Here you can see more of the construction. Over here, like that, and there. That's, I don't know what that's gonna be. There's the scoreboard. See? Have like 6 basketball hoops. There's equipment stashed all around. There's no floor. See, because they took the floor out. We're gonna get a new floor pretty soon. And they used to use this as a stage. Stage used to be up here because that was where we performed plays and concerts and stuff. And this is what they use as a concert hall for bands and stuff. I don't know what they're going to do now since there's nothing here. This is our teacher's lounge, and that's Mr. Esmond, our gym teacher over there, next to Mr. Lammers, our social studies teacher. So they have a computer even here, even when they're lounging.
Mr. Walters, what do we need?
And it's pretty cool. And they have a Pepsi machine. They're lucky.
And we got offices in here, a couple counselors and psychologists, and we have all our groups in there. We have all kinds of groups on different stuff like divorce and problems that kids have, you know, and friendship groups and things like that. And we got another office back there with a social worker. So I hope you guys will come and visit us sometime. It's a pretty cool school. There's a lot of cool kids around here and cool counselors. So.
Like me.
Like Josh, right? Nice meeting you guys. See you later.
And just push that button again.
Why is it focusing? There we go.
Hey, what are you taping for? Hi.
Pen Pals in California.
Well, hi, California.
I probably shouldn't do that.
Yeah, let's go for a little walk over here. Don't run into nothing. Who's that behind me? Oh, deep outside. Yeah. Dude, cool. What's that? Get focused, bro. There we go. Now I got kids way over there. Should I get Steve?
This is my 5th hour class. And we're going to introduce ourselves here in just a minute. Give you a little overall look at our class. Okay, we'll start over here. And would you introduce yourself, please?
My name is Lisa Wolewski, and my pen pal is Becky Simpson.
Okay, good. Be sure to speak up so we can hear you.
My name is Missy Riddick, and my pen pal is Laura Hefner.
I'm Jessica Gaffney, and my pen pal is Dayton Dove.
Okay, can you hear her okay?
Do I have to say it again?
This is Jessica Gaffney, yes. You might want to speak a little louder because you're speaking to the microphone right here.
Okay, my name is Jessica Gaffney, and my pen pal is Dayton Dove.
Okay.
My name's Nick Crosby, my pen pal's Meredith Atkins.
My name's Clay Whitehead, and I'm writing to James Butler.
My name's Kevin Sensky, and I'm writing to Jordan.
My name's John Tebow, and I'm writing to Sabrina Saad.
My name is Dusty Pitbilka, and I'm writing to Matt Walter.
My name is Don Subrink, and I'm writing to Eric Davis and Joycelyn Robson.
My name is Chris North, and I'm writing to Rachel Hansen.
My name's Philip Scheck, and I'm writing to Todd Daco.
Okay, let me back up a little bit so you can get a little better view of Phil here. He's got his shorts on today. And Josh wears shorts 365 days a year, don't you, Josh?
Yep. What's up, pen pal? I'm Josh Huck, and I'm writing to Amanda Eldridge. I hope I said your name right.
My name's Sarah Lobdell, and I'm writing to Missy. I don't know her last name.
That's the first time I think Sarah's ever been tongue-tied.
Lindsay Gruss, and my pen pal is
I
Rachel
don't
Martin.
know. I think my band.
Oh, Josh, we couldn't hear Lindsay. Let's have Lindsay repeat that.
Oh!
Lindsay, you say it.
My name is Lindsay Gross, and my pen pal is Rachel Martin.
My name is Tiffany Scott, and Lindsay Edwards, my pen pal.
Tiffany's the newest member of our class. She just moved here from California herself. Where did you live in California, Tiffany?
San Diego.
Okay.
My name is Jordan Fred. My pen pal is Rachel Martin.
Okay.
My name is Matt Kender and my pen pal is Brett.
Oh, he's got his Green Bay Packers shirt on today here.
Yeah.
My name is Jenny Bowman. I'm writing to command designer.
My name's Steve Conner and my pen pal is Alexa.
My name is Jeremy Benjamin, and I'm writing to Sally Fortson.
You can hear the hallway noise now. 7th graders are starting to go to lunch here.
I'm Belly Coach and my pen pal is Stacy.
Okay. And we have the two Melanies together here. All right, we get over here to see the other Melanie.
I'm Melanie Anderson. My pen pal is Aaron Wallace.
Okay, so this is my 5th hour language arts class. They're all starving and hungry, waiting for lunch.
I'll skip lunch and just go home.
Okay, we hope you enjoy our video. The students have been going out around the building, taking various rooms, so you have a little better idea of what our school looks like. And there is a pile of dirt outside of our class.
Library, and I'm going to talk to Mrs. T, our librarian. Mrs. T, want to say anything to our pen pals in California?
I just want to say hello to all your pen pals in California from Parkview Middle School Library in Mukwonago, Wisconsin.
All right, and then we have Miss Stomhowski over here, and she helps Mrs. T out. Miss Stomhowski, you want to say anything to our pen pals in California?
Hello, hope it's nice and warm there because it's not too warm over here today.
Join. This is basically our library. We have like computer and stuff, and I don't know, it's pretty cool. Hey, this is the keyboarding room where we do all our typing stuff. Seventh grade. Very hard. Wonderful computers. And that's about it for our boarding room.
Hey, this is our encore choir, and it's 5th hour, and they're gonna sing for us. Turn it on. Mr. Schigel is one of our band teachers, and Mr. Brewer isn't here today.
And that's
Good job. Hi, I'm Mike from the CIA.
I'm Jake Miller. I play the tuba.
en las librerías, ¿eh?
Sí.
Enrique, ¿qué está haciendo el gato?
Oh, gato está tirando.
Record me. Record me.
¿El pez? ¿Quiere comer el pez? Sí. ¿Tiene hambre el pez? Marta, ¿qué estás haciendo tú?
¿Tú estás cocinando ahora?
¿La cena? ¿La cena? Juana, ¿qué estamos haciendo tú y yo?
Tú y yo están.
Yes, David Hawks.
You have to say hi.
Hi.
Say something.
Yeah,
One
short
more
message.
look at class here.
Okay.
This is this next day.
And we're all.
Notice the
This is the resource room.
That's
Everybody
stones
look up
right
here
there.
and watch me do these. So you know how to do this. Okay. Now.
Choose room, which is room 56 or the second art room.
What did he say? What?
He said, rainbow is up to
I want to take this shot.
I made him do
Is it too big?
And this funeral is going to be on Wednesday, and that is when they are going to be doing that.
Wait.
Yeah. So next
Oh,
to
you have to have the
Kevin.
eye.
All flags are flying half staff room.
And now show Wednesday until President Nixon is buried. Mike Loomis.
Well, listen to 9:08 p.m. Precise.
Wait, I'm supposed
52 seconds.
Yeah,
Just to look at
is correct, and they have said, what the statement states that he has been. Yeah, I know, so he wasn't a good president. And this is what we have been saying, that there is more of a tendency, the good that people do sometimes outlives their life, and now all I can say is good things about his death rather than the other things. It's recorded. And let's go back to Brian Jones.
The Knicks beat the Bulls on Sunday in Chicago.
And this is not the playoff series yet, but they are getting.
They play each other in the second round.
Okay.
It's not recording.
Yeah, I'm just chill out. Right. Yeah, other items that are, as far as current events are concerned.
We're talking.
Yeah, and you have questions to call, you call on. Darren, do you have current events that you'd like to mention for us today? Okay, Mr. Sensky, that's a T for you. That's a T for you. Do you have to have it spelled out? And anything else? Okay. Not right now. The next thing that we want to take a look at today, as far as our current events material is concerned, is the silent world. And Eric, we're going to have you get the lights for us.
I start?
What?
I start?
You
No, I've been taping.
Okay, that's fine. Go ahead. You can get lights.
The computer, that's what they use to teach people at school on the moon. Jupiter, that's where they're supposed to have their prom. The atmosphere, this is like lightning and thunder and rain. She misses the atmosphere, there's like no rain or anything on the moon. And this is like a CD disc that you put in the computer, and like it takes the place of a letter. You can like see the people. It was a good book, but it's kind of strange. It's in a year. I like it, but it was kind of easy reading for the like 6th grade. And it's like under the science fiction category. And I would recommend it for people who like easy reading and science fiction.
Wisconsin, and there's a bunch of ghost stories that are from Wisconsin, and there's some like poltergeist, and some that are around, like one's from Milwaukee, and I recommend the book because they're not all like pretty boring. You might get some boring stories, but then maybe the next one will be really like exciting. And it's about 7th grade reading, and I'm not sure how many pages there are.
Okay, and your project?
I was just gonna tell them.
All right, go ahead.
Or the book report.
Go ahead.
Okay, one of my favorite stories is about a poltergeist in this farmhouse that was very popular because the family would try to live with it to like become famous. So weird occurrence would happen because maybe she would put a spoon down on the table, she would turn around and then put something else on the table and the spoon would be gone. They would find it like in a bedroom upstairs or something, and like when they were baling hay, they would like pick up the hay, put it on the truck, and then go pick up another bale of hay, and the hay would be on the ground. And just weird occurrences that were going on. And those the kinds of stories are.
Captive, and it was by Edward Packard. And it starts off at night when a soldier comes to the main character's door, and the main character is a soldier. And he comes to his door and knocks on him and takes him to a sanctuary where he's supposed to meet the Count of Resno. But on the way there, they got beat up by 2 hoodlums, and the Count of Resno was kidnapped and is taken to a castle where the monks kept them hostage. And I read, and I made a newspaper called Medieval Times, and I wrote about the Count of Resno, missing Count of Resno. Count of Resno has been mysteriously kidnapped last night from his sanctuary. This encounter has been said to have shocked the nation. If you have any information on the Count's disappearance, please contact the sanctuary immediately. And then after the soldier and the main character got away from the two hoodlums, they went to the sanctuary and found out that the Count of Resno was missing. So they started searching around for him, and they kept on asking people about the Count of Resno if they knew anything about him. And then they finally figured out that he was in the castle. And meanwhile, the soldier was trying to trick the main character into traps, like killing him and stuff like that, because he was really one of the bad guys. And so they finally found him in the monk's castle, and they heard two monks talking about the Count of Resno, and they were talking to him about if they're going to kill him or not. And the main character finally did bust into the door and took the Count of Resno out, and while he did that, he got hit in the head, and he was knocked unconscious, and he didn't know what was going on. And then I wrote about Hero Saves the Count. Yes, the Count has been saved by a young knight by the name of Jonathan. Jonathan says that the Count was kept hostage in the monk's castle cellar down due to money matters. The Count also adds that it was the scariest time of his life, and I have a picture of the hero, and I have a picture of the Count of Resno. I really did enjoy the book. It was a very good book, and it was probably around 7th grade level of reading because the letters were pretty large, and it was kind of a suspenseful book.
The Dagger of the Death by Walter Olsky, and it was about a boy and his mom and him were going to the airport to go find his dad because he was looking for a knife. It was called the Dagger of Death. It was worth a lot of money. And he was out in the jungle looking for it, and his mom and were going to go look for his dad. And he was at the airport. Him and his mom got separated, and he had a fake dagger, and he got mugged and kidnapped, and some people tried to take it because they thought it was a real one. And then he goes with his friend Pedro. He goes into the jungle with a bunch of other guides and stuff looking for him. And I guess that later on in the story, some people come out and they're like the headhunters, and they're like trying to capture people for their heads. And then the kids saw all the tents were open and all the people were gone, and the guides were all gone. And they got out of there, and they got up onto the hill, and they saw somebody dancing around with the guys' heads. And they got the bad guys that were trying to steal the dagger. And then they saw Hank's mom and dad. They're tying him up with the guide, and they're going to sacrifice him when the sun came up. And then at the end, well, I'm not going to tell you what happens at the end. You could stop now if you liked the book. It was about a 7th grade reading level. I kind of liked it because it kept you in suspense, wondering what was going to happen next. Okay, and I'd suggest the book to other readers.
What kind of readers? Eric, what kind of readers?
Oh, just shut it up.
And this is about a dog, and he runs away because he gets shot chasing this carriage because his master gets arrested. So he goes under the porch a lot,
house, they call it. And she asked the people to read on the newspaper. And I thought it was a good book because it was kind of interesting. I'm at 6th grade level.
It's called MVP. It's part of the Barry Carter's Every Math series. It's by Robert Montgomery and there's 167 pages. I made a newspaper. It's the campus newspaper for the Redstone University. High school sensation comes to Redstone. The high school sensation, Rory Belmont, has decided to come to Redstone University and has joined up with the Colts. He had a lot of competition for the catcher's position for the Colts starting roster with Lola Patenza. They were equal in batting, catching, fielding, and pitch calling. But the thing that gave Robbie the advantage was his blazing speed on the base pass, which later got him the catcher's position. Now Robbie is going to be catching with his old pitching buddy from Riverton High School, Eagle Wilson. Wilson erupts in campus cafeteria. Star Redstone pitcher Eagle Wilson erupts in the surge of anger in the face of freshman Robbie Belmont earlier. Sources say that this eruption was directed towards Robbie over a girl known to be sophomore Cynthia Lee. Cynthia had been off and on between Robbie and Eagle for the past 3 years, and this year apparently Cynthia is leaning more towards Robbie and farther from Eagle, so he is understandably mad at Robbie. Another reason for the eruption was also part of Eagle and apparent bragging over his perfect game. An argument sparked an eruption over the perfect game, and the whole thing embarrassed Robbie and Eagle even embarrassed himself. The Eagle achieves rare perfect game. The Redstone Colts starting pitcher Eagle Wilson achieved the rare perfect game. Even without his catcher of 2 years, Lola Patenza, Eagle still managed to cooperate with Robbie Belmont to become only the 9th player in NCAA Division I history to get a perfect game. A perfect game is simply when a pitcher doesn't give up any runs, hits, or doesn't draw a walk the whole game long. Robbie Belmont and Lola Patenza motivated Eagle in his goal of a perfect game, and he succeeded. The Major League scouts certainly paid close attention to that game. The negative part of this is that he bragged about it for weeks. Belmont's batting slump ends. Redstone Colts star Robbie Belmont has finally ended his frustrating batting slump. It wasn't only frustrating for Robbie, but also for the fans. 80-point Robbie, who usually batted over 400 at high school, now batted below 200. This bad streak went on for quite a few games. Then after the Wayland Pilgrims game, which the Colts won 7-4, Robbie's batting greatly improved. An old friend of Robbie's from his high school, now at Wayland University, tased Robbie's batting during the game. After the game, Robbie met with her. Linda Clark is her name. And after the tape had been viewed many times, Linda showed Robbie that what he was doing wrong. She showed him that he was swinging too early in pitches. Now that Robbie knows what was going wrong with his hitting, he greatly improved and his batting was soaring to 400. Robbie currently leads the team in hits and really has become a team leader. The Colts go to the College World Series. Their home team, the Redstone Colts, has made it to the College World Series. They ended the season with 42 wins and 18 losses. In the first game of the regular tournament, the regional tournament, the Colts played the Slater Terriers. The Colts beat them off a come-from-behind victory 7-6. The next game was against the Haven Students, who beat 5-4.
Okay, give us your evaluation.
Thing is supposed to show that this girl named Jenny had a very same job for a kid named Donnie, who lived in a very strange house, away from all the rest. Donnie is an only child and is 7 years old. His mom is very sweet, but his dad seems very strange. Donnie liked to play jokes on Jenny when she babysat. His favorite was to call his home number.
Excuse me, can you kind of turn toward us to as you
Because
talk?
I'm reading them.
Okay, well, if you can kind of occasionally turn toward
Okay.
us. Okay.
Donnie liked to play jokes on Jenny when she babysat. His favorite was to call his house and then hang up, and then, like, when she'd pick up, nobody would be there. And after Jenny put Donnie
Jenny to bed one night. She went downstairs and she got a phone call. She heard, this is what they said in the conversation bubble. Hello, hi babe. And she like said hello, and they go, hi babes, how, are you all alone? Well, don't worry, company's coming. And then they hung up. The next time Jenny babysat for Donnie, she got the same phone call. Plus it looked like there was a car in front of the house. But since it was night and the Hagans have a lot of trees, it was hard to tell. And she kept on going back babysitting even though she was kind of scared because she needed the money. And Jenny continued to babysit. Her next babysitting job someone scared her even more. After Jenny came downstairs, after putting Donnie to bed, she walked in the living room and saw a man with his face pressed against the glass. A week later, it was almost Donnie's bedtime, but he insisted on playing hide-and-go-seek. And he was hiding under there. And then 20 minutes later, Jenny walks into the parents' bedroom to find Donnie and finds a box labeled, "Don't Look," laying on the floor. She opens it and found a whole bunch of newspaper articles about babysitters who got killed or harassed, and they never found the killer. Just as she was looking at an article, Mr. Hagan walked in. But I don't think I should read the last one because that would like give away the ending. I didn't think of that like when I was doing it.
So we have to read to find out.
Yeah, why Mr. Hagan had all those articles.
He's a coward. He's a
Okay, your evaluation, Jean.
I like the story a lot. It like kept me in suspense and stuff. It was like not really a mystery, but it was like kind of strange, you know. And it's probably like 6th or 7th grade reading level. It's not that hard. And Courtney? Probably painkiller. Yeah. I think there's like maybe like 125.
It was about these like 5 unpopular kids had their own little group, but one day they were invited to like the party of the year by this really popular girl, and they went there and they played a game of musical chairs, and basically they were the first 5 to get out, so they were the targets in a people hunt, but there was a killer at the party, and the killer like went around hiding them in different spots and hurting them and all that, and ended up hiding them in a freezer, room full of broken glass, a car that's running and they can't get out, and a couple other hiding spots that could kill them. And I like this book. It kept me in suspense a lot. It's an easier book. Only 6th or 7th grade reading level. And I think it had 174 pages.
Shannon, move the podium.
Some other nasty rumors. The pages was 128. I don't know exactly because I don't have the book anymore. I would recommend it because it kept me in suspense a lot. This book contains like a lot of different short stories about people getting killed and not knowing how they died. There's one story in there where a lady goes to the supermarket and has a real heavy coat on and then a big hat, and I believe it was called The Shoplifter, and it was a really hot day and they thought she was just sweating, but she like fell over and a big turkey fell out of her hat, and so she died because the frozen turkey killed her. It's called The Beheaded Freshman and Other Nasty Rumors because there's a story about a freshman who gets beheaded. Yeah.
Wow. Hurt, pain.
And the other nasty rumors is because there's supposed to be rumors that are true, but not all the way true. I don't know. That's about it.
Story Death Cycle by Simon Lake, and it was like 152 pages. And I did a newspaper. Today a mysterious writer appeared, took the life of a young boy, then disappeared as quickly as it had come. The mysterious writer took the life of a young boy whose identity has not yet been released. Cops are looking for any clues about the case, so if you have any information about the killing, please call this number, 987-226-43. People are cautioned to be very careful when out alone. Below is a picture of what the mysterious writer looks like according to a bystander. And then
I did just sports and weather. That's it.
Okay, your evaluation?
It was a good book and I liked it. I'd recommend it to people who like comic books and stuff because the guy in this book, like he's like the Ghost Rider from the X-Men. So.
You play it? Nobody does.
Made by Arlstein, and it's about this girl named Brenda, whose cousin Haley comes to live with her for a couple of months because her parents are getting a divorce, and she doesn't want to be there to like go through all the mess and everything. And Brenda thinks Haley is like messing up her life because she's like stealing everybody's boyfriend and always borrowing her car without her permission and everything. And then about the middle of the book, there's these strange pranks. Like there's a pumpkin with a dead bird inside, and there's writing on the wall with blood. And Brenda thinks Haley did it, and Haley's denying it, but she didn't do it, but I can't reveal the whole book, so. And I like the book. It's about a 6th grade reading level. It's like a suspense book. I liked it. That's it.
Iditarod Trail. And what the Iditarod is it's a dog sled race where dogs go almost 12,000 miles across Alaska from Anchorage to Nome. And how the race was originated was back in the 1940s. There were these 2 sick kids. They had a disease, and it was something with it was something in their lungs. And what they had to do with they had to go get serum from Nome. And they thought of all their options that they could do with it, and some of them were to go by plane, and if you go by plane, the wings would freeze and then they'd crash, and more people would die. But then they went by boat, and they thought in the middle of winter, Alaskan waters around it or whatever, they were frozen solid, so they couldn't do that, and so they thought of taking Alaskan Huskies cross country, and they thought because the male officers could do it, so they could do it too. And a lot of people tried that, and a lot of people died, but they got that, and they became national. The people that did that were national heroes. And so what they made a race out of it, and like Susan Butcher right there is just like Paul Mallet or something to us. Or any, or Emmett Smith or something. They're national heroes up there. Like it would be like a really great honor for them if they would stay at their house when they're in the Iditarod Trail. They do that. And like a few, in 1986, Susan Butcher, she won 2 titles, and that year a moose killed every dog that she had, and it was really tragical for her because she likes all the dogs a lot and everything, and like the dogs for them are like their own children because they cost hundreds of thousands of dollars to have a dog. And I like the book a lot because, well, mainly in 6th grade we talked about the Iditarod a lot with John's dad because he was really into it and everything. And it's like, I don't know what you want